Okay guys, I'm going to make YouTube videos of other guys playing games, mostly Fortnite. Okay, so here is a bird that's gonna play Fortnite. Hello, I'm gonna play some Fortnite. I'm gonna wreck these people. I see if you're there. Yeah, you there. Trying to wreck some people at Fortnite. I feel. Trying to wreck some people at Fortnite. Yeah. Let's do this. No, big camera. Yeah, let's do this. Alright. Let's play some Fortnite. Okay, we can do this. My friend here got some stuff for me under, so I get some this. Ooh, I'm ice cream. I want to eat them myself. I don't know how to play this game. Oh wait, never mind, I do. I thought this was a different game. Let me jump on. Yeah. Okay, where should I go? Comment down below where I should go. Oh wait, this is not a stream. It's a video. Flat. Sticks. I said sticks instead of the F word. I could say it, but it's not family friendly. Yeah, I don't want to be family friendly. Even though my family dropped out of the nest and died, except my mom. No, my mom died as well. I'm the only sibling. He adopted me, and my friend adopted me right here. Oh yeah, guys, so you know, while they're playing the game, they're gonna give some backstory off. So yeah, just listen the backstory, and then listen to them just like wrecking, like them demolishing, and then just watch them demolishing as well. Okay, Chip. Let me check. Come on. I don't know why that's your name, but let's go with it. Okay. I can do this. It's not hard to eat, but it's lagging. Just like my life when I saw my parents die and my siblings. I had 10 siblings, and they all died except me because I didn't jump out of the tree. Like I was slipping, and then I saw my friend right here, and he saw me. He saw that all the other birds died, so I think he thought that I murdered them. So I can't remember, but I think he took me out and threatened me like with a knife. But then I told him that everyone fell out of the nest and I need help. So he adopted me. He adopted a lot of the animals well. And you'll see them in other videos. What are you people at? I need to kill them. Come on. Where are you people at? I can't find you people. Alright. Come on. Find some people. I really cannot find people, but I found some campfires. I'm taking them because the sticks. I can rebuild my nest with these. I need one more. Wood for my nest. Ooh. Why no storm? Storm. I can't get my fair wet. No, wait, I'm not a bird in this game. I'm ice cream. I can't get wet because I'm ice cream. Oh, no. I'm dying. I'm ice cream. I'm getting wet. I can't get out of here. Let me out. Ooh. The circle's all the way over there, so I need to go quick. Oh no. Need to go in the circle. Yeah. It's fun. It lags so much. I hate it. I hate this lag. I hate the lag. Why lag? What? Just stop me right there. I hate it. No. Maybe. I'm just gonna throw 2 grenades just in case someone's here. I rubbed some ice cream all over your face. Where are you? Where are you? I can't find anyone. I can't find one. Why is it so hard to find someone? I know the circle. If I do this, it's gonna lag down, but whatever. Whoa, whoa, oh, it's fine. Oh, I see a supply drop. Oh, how do I lose help? My supply drop. My supply drop. You don't want it. Wow! Ooh. Glue. Glue. No! What? I hate you. You're mean. She's mean. Oh yeah, and I don't know if this will work, but use code Jason for Leo in item shop. I don't know if that'll work, but also that Jason for Leo is my friend name on PS4, so go friend him. You gotta go friend him. Let me see your skin. Ah, llama! A llama! Ah! You're gonna kill me! Ah, bear! A bear! Ah! Ah! It's the llama, the snowman! Ah! Why? Why so many guys? Me, God! I'm scared. Oh. A dog, no! A cat! No! A reindeer! I'm scared. No! Ah! Ah! No, I like the ice cream. No. More back one. What pickaxe? Ooh, you so cool. You use that. What can I do here? I don't want this one. Phone and making a deal. No, I don't want anything yet. What about this? Yeah, it's okay. It sounds like outside again with my nest. Oh, never mind. I don't want this. What? Now, oh, that looks cool. Whoa. Oh, I know there's a llama. Bunny rabbit. I have a friend that's a bunny rabbit. What is this? That's too girlish. What is this? What's the point of this? Hey, Mr. Why is he moving? No, that's weird. Too weird. Yeah, too weird. Everything too weird. What should I do? I can do playground. Guys, me do playground. Wait a second. What? I sure went. Okay, me play playground. I think I should play on game chat so people can hear me. I don't want to do that. It's already been 15 minutes. God. It's gonna be 15 minutes, an hour, I guess. An hour and 15 minutes. I know. I want to do this. Yeah. If the yellow guy or yellow twist 6 has the mic, I'm gonna do my thing. Where should I go? I'll go kill it. Because the tall towers, and so I can rebuild my nest. In the tower, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I guess one guy left. Or two. Or 10. I can't count. I never learned how to count. Oh yeah. So laggy, I'm out. It's too laggy. I'm gonna handcuff. Kill him, handcuffed. Me police officer. No, me not police officer. Me lied. Me sorry. Is the screen too bright? I think it is. What? What's happening to the camera? What happened to the camera? What happened to the camera? What? Wait, Mommy, is that you? Are you back here? That's not you. No, it's not you. Never mind. I don't know why a bird's here. Oh, come back. Baby, come back. No! Why you feel you? Why? No, yeah, what? Oh, Dusty. We have tons of trees. I can go in. Fine, everyone going children. I'll go children. Let me see the good thing. I'm finding the book. Get me a whip. Oh, hunting rifle. I'm gonna hunt some birds today. Oh wait, I am a bird. Ah! Help! I don't want to hunt myself. Ah! Ooh, shotgun. Me have go like a weapon. I like it. Whoa! Oh, I'm a shell wheel, yeah. Whoa. So cool. I'm having so much fun. Whoa. That's fun. What? Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. What? Why you shoot me? but I don't die. Me too good. Whoa! Woo! It's so cool. We having so much fun. What? What? Whoa! Me bail. Me wipe out. Me don't know. I don't know anymore. Whoa, what's happening? Wow! I didn't mean to do that. Forgive me, Ale. Yeah, forgive me, Ale. Whoa! 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 So cool. I'm having so much fun. What? Damn. Whoa, damn. Oh, ouch. I got an ouchie. I want a new hoverboard. Hoverboard, no. No more, yeah, hoverboard. Bear hoverboard. Get out here, hoverboard. Get out here. Oh no! Wow! Get out here, hoverboard. Whoa! How did I get an ouchie? How did I get an ouchie? Whoa! So cool! I love this thing. I can play with it forever and ever. Biscuit. Me biscuit. Me biscuit. Can we just biscuit? He said me biscuit. Ah! Whoa. This is fun. Whoa! 12. Whoa! He's so cool! Whoa! Ouchie! Ow! Okay, time for me to get my first kill. I gotta show them well around here. Me going to be Build Pro. Build your Pro. What? Uh, Take Boom Boy. I don't know why it's so loud. Meow.